She looking kind of sexy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, ALANI. For today's video, we're going to be doing a transformation quarantine edition. As you can tell from quarantine, a lot of stuff has been happening. There's a lot of negativity, and I feel like we gotta feel good. We gotta get a little bit of self-love in this mode right now. So basically, we're gonna be doing a quarantine transformation. I'm gonna take you through mine. So first I'm gonna do my hair, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this, so I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to go see it. Or I think I can leave a link in the iCard. Somewhere in the iCard you'll see it. So I'm gonna do my hair. I'll be back. Alright, so we're gonna get started, BV. It's gonna be like a bit of a tutorial. Get ready with me, talking life updates, high teas. Okay, let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do our eyebrows. For brows, I use the cheapest I could find. It's CoverGirl black brow pencil. It's super good. I'm gonna take some setting powder. Setting powder. Let's talk about me for a minute. I live in Florida, and I'm pretty sure like a lot of people's like governors have canceled school for the rest of the year. At least that's what mine did. And we will no longer be going back to school, which is I don't know whether I hate it or I love it, because I wanna see my friends, and I'm gonna have to wait till freaking junior year now, which is gonna be in August if we ever go back to school. Okay, I did this eyebrow. I'm gonna do this other one, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna be back now. So basically, I am going to be doing a look. I'm going to put the picture up right here of what the look I'm trying to recreate. It won't be easy, but let's give it a shot. So basically, she has some black down here. I don't have an orange colored liquid liner like that, so I think we're just going to use white. And hopefully that still will look good, because I kind of want to post a look today, but I'm not sure. There's something going on in your guys' life. Comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. I haven't seen you guys in a long period of time because school, but now it's not a problem anymore because school is basically over. Actually, if they're canceling all statewide tests until next year, what's the point of still doing all these tests? I mean, all these, why are we still doing online school? Like, we're not even going back to school, period. So what's the point? Y'all want to explain this to me? We wanted to cover up the majority of our lid up there. Ooh, this looks kind of good. By the way, we're not blending yet. We're just like placing the colors so we get like a good description of how this will look. I'm using the James Charles palette. The main colors that I'm going to be using is these shades right here, because they're kind of like perfect for this whole entire lookity look. Just saying, because I know it looks bad right now because I haven't blended it at all, but we will start blending in a few minutes. Y'all, I look like I have no neck. Like I have no neck. Get back to this, and then we have this light like banana yellow shade we're gonna put right here. The black is like kind of already blended, I guess. We're gonna start blending with the dark brown, and we're gonna clean this up later, so we're gonna start blending. Sorry. A useful hack if you're a dark-skinned goyo like me, go ahead and use a really super light concealer for your eye base. This will help your colors show up more pigmented. Tell everybody I'm on my way. New places. Ooh. She looking kind of sexy.
Sorry.
We are going to pretend we didn't hear that.
I don't want to go like, because that'll take off the pigment. The James Charles palette, it's okay, I guess, but I was low-key disappointed because some shades for darker, like if you use a dark concealer, do not show up, period. The blue in this palette is absolutely atrocious. Atrocious. Absolutely atrocious. Absolutely atrocious. Absolutely atrocious.
What's not clicking? What's not clicking? There's times when...
Why y'all put that stuff in?
This kind of looking bad, but I ain't even gonna cap. Now we're gonna take your concealer and we're gonna clean this up. How did I say hi guys? Like I just told her to talk to y'all. Like, yes. No sir, not me.
No, sir, not me.
I'm gonna set this now so that I can this my powder up. Found it. Okay, I have something we could talk about while I was doing this. We all know Emma Lou. She was the barb. After some consideration, I decided to forgive her. Cancel culture is so inconsistent. We canceled Adam K for like 2 hours. He's back on his grind, making his money, doing whatever. We canceled Shane Dawson for probably about 25 minutes, I think. 25 minutes at the most, because no one really cares. Bretman Rock, I don't think anybody's canceled him. Because, well, I think some people know, but I posted a video of him saying the N-word and a lot of people did not know, and I didn't either. And I've been watching him since like Vine, and I had never seen that video ever. And people are commenting like, he already said sorry. So did Amulu, but you guys are on her. You guys are on her. And I get it. You guys had higher expectations for her. Don't cancel her and forget about everybody else. I'm gonna keep talking, but I'm gonna use my white NYX liquid liner. Okay, I'm gonna do my little base or whatever, and I'll be back. Welcome back. So I'm gonna put on my lashes. These are lashes I'm gonna be using. I have to get more because I lost it. Anyway, so we're using these. My sister literally, I think she stole them from me. So thank you, Sylvia. We're gonna go over our Cupid's bow like this. I got 20% left. Because these lashes didn't come with like right, left. You kind of just have to figure it out on your own. Okay, this is the best freaking drugstore mascara I took. This is the best, by the way. The Glitter Goals Liquid Eyeshadow from NYX. Truly top tier makeup product. So yeah. Lip gloss. Not lip gloss. Soft matte lip cream in the shade. I think this is Abu Dhabi. Hold on. It is Abu Dhabi. I'm gonna put that right in the middle. We're gonna go back in. We're gonna take a brush now. We're gonna take the brown shade we used for our lid. Like that. I'm just gonna. I'm using the Revlon. Revlon gloss in the shade Snow Pink. Which is really cute. We're gonna take that. We're just gonna put that on our lips. And that's it. We're done. I love the look. It's so cute. Should I do more makeup looks? Y'all want that? I don't think I'm ready for it. Ooh. Oh, I'm living for this. Okay. This is a look all finished and done. I like it a lot. Well, I think I would possibly change the white, but and the lashes, of course. But besides that, it's not that bad. Not that bad. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a big like, comment down below what you guys want to see me do next. And follow me on all my socials, which will be on the end card. And yeah, stay safe and wash your hands. Bye.